News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afetu American share yen. Ewo Facebook. NFNC YouTube. Ne yemfa kase bono echire bankasa ensemom. Na Ghana for bakaya. America krantemu ni. Ena oman Ghana opani pon ne daso ya yate so mo hwe oman Ghana. Totoni amaseba ye obi ebedi Ghana sika. Prone kankan edran honam duani a. Onfa na nkoma abalo ya peno hwehwe ne nsem ne kwadu omo no na omanye nye sika mekire OSP openi pa wata no yamgo fase lawyer kisi ejapen edebatu dwa ekirem sem akane omanga na photo sam for kind ofoli ata meke se de Ghana sika pa bom setu o awadi no enye sika komenti abalo ya openi Dr. Damrick Ayane enchire no no wonyi sika ne visa Ghana sika pa na papai wa pepepe ekire sa akra no Ediba bimpo mpenifo de nkrata akoma ne se wo mra fie wo mudi kra ne wanted nyina ne nsensem ankosi aga na meka sei attorney general metei abala ya pen no kwesi no soafo a ohwe omai Ghana eye atenten ne so Dr. Damrick Ayane edensem atudwa ekiremu am akane omai Ghana photo samfo Kenneth ofoli ata meka sei de wa follow ya photo twahura in fact wo muni mra papa eye United States of America so mamodian ne Ghana mfansie ni se be ya Yentumi mfa samra enkoso ni Peter nkwatwene fa mepie Ghana mum ode sade tudwa endwa na ya wada na eye opanima abosoma yobu na taso etunwatwe ema na wakasa ede afa aban kuntabu a Ghana mampani John Dramani mamade atudwa se wo yo soafo na bemma boso miensentem bedane medina Ghana fo hu ne ma yekoso aso ye no ye kan se ne government accountability series na no na Dr. Damrick Ayane echirem se yi de asabna yiro ayesa benta kanofoliata akofala ya so munim ho papa o mabinye pa se omo makwan ma Ghana fo mfamra mefa ne magana metete no into mo no ho ban no mo ne pam na no na meke se de Dr. Damrick Ayane abalo ya pani chirem se wedie etimi e magana ye nkofa ne da oboa kra edro bia kadem o chirema na montu akanofoliata atui ehunahuna ne da kwa befa so bayere ne ho no akofa na ba no ba akofa de na pa na atani jana chirem se enka nchire Ghana fo se enam se Emrenim for my palma being power mremo mo yabro for mo US de ebayere se benta embayiro ebecha pansa na o matuma kofana bananso asamene de sabe se cha ne nkyeresa pronti opompo mo de baba Ghana ha sei we no de afutuo ede makano folata se osra na da enka bayempo a ono anga sentete nchacha free US emra Ghana na fa ho mampanimfo na mra ne nni on tete no onya ne hwe ejensemisa keke kana tofolate wo besom ye ne wudi Ghana sika o se da bi ene yekọ wudi sika an kakra bi na mtafre na ya chew fa sika bla na ye nyawo kitua bi pe o kirema Ghana mampani John Dramani mama ne aban ba krado wo metata konoflata agire no pampi se sabe kwisi o hyeboma ya disabieja edi agu ne bom ne ya che no sabe ye sika bi akodi ne nsem no ya timi age sabe ye beboa na pone kankan esiatu o my Ghana.
Yesterday, I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America, very experienced lawyers to, defend him. Now, I'm not afraid at all, all right? I am not afraid at all. But it means that there's going to be a fight in the federal courts in the U.S. If the district court says no, he will go to the circuit court, all right? If the circuit court says no, he's entitled to go to the, U.S. Supreme Court to fight his case. So I cannot tell you that he will come tomorrow or he will come the next day, okay? And I'm just being honest. Accounting to the people means being explicit and truthful. So this is what we are faced with. But I have on behalf of the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we have taken the requisite steps to bring him to Ghana to face trial. And if I were him, this is his home. He should just join the next flight and come here. Under my watch, he will not be treated unfairly. He will go through due process and be prosecuted just like any other person, just like Kobina Idubohi or Hanan or any of the persons that I have filed charges against.
I can ofoliata and kaoba bebwa pa every said ni pe bia wajire wo pechi na odo makwagira mla no enya dia watiti obi a ade ba ko pe no hwe ne mu sei obama mra ne hyehye pa ayi adwuma wodi mna so na wo pa asembia ni ho bio na mum wa mapa na Ghana mpanifo modern beduadua mbachi wo US dia my Ghana ni US ebe yo se poso wunya da breda na kira hwe ade am wapi hu na ne kwakura mu na Dr. Dominic Ayene kasa na ochirim se meka se de yade am o man Ghana mpanimfo me kira economic and organized crime office e twede tie ka se ro companifo etimi aboa pa kwachi ni pa bi ase se o mo de nya sem kumo woni e flood pa dream dwumadie ye mo kro na be fonten tan so nya sem kwa kwachi wo no mo pa o mo hye US Ghana sika be bro be ye 15 million US dollars nya sem kumanti o match wo se be boa pa na se be fraud kan dream ani pa bi no be fonten tan so bo no.
The High Court ordered that upon the receipt of the funds, EOCO should cater to the victims of the crime. Through this approach, EOCO
DLFM
successfully used our local laws to freeze and recover virtual assets hidden in foreign jurisdictions. As a result, on November 19, 2025, Zodiac Custody successfully converted the said crypto assets of the criminal enterprise and paid same to EOCO's exhibit account in the amount of 15,191,730 United States of American dollars and 13 cents. As demonstrated above, the criminal enterprise targeted our citizens, defrauded them, and laundered the criminal proceeds into cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, USDT, and Ethereum in an attempt to further hide the proceeds from the reach of Ghana's law enforcement. With this recovery, millions of funds which were looted out of the country have been successfully returned to our motherland. In the coming days, EOCO will enter into a second phase of this case, which will involve screening both Ghanaians and British victims for restitution. As His Excellency, the President, John Dramani Mahama, stated during a recent press conference, Ghana will no longer be a safe place for any form of criminal activity which seeks to target our economy, our financial system, and our citizens. This case should therefore serve as a clear warning that EOCO has developed the capability to investigate and recover virtual assets such as cryptocurrency, and that no foreign jurisdiction is too far from the long arm of Ghanaian law enforcement.
Any awoti ye ya ban lawyer penny on Ukraine so and your swafwa or show my Ghana attentiveness or metre Attorney General and Minister for Justice Dr. Dominic Ayene and awote nini.
Yantoa kasiabone soniembo remu ewa santimantema na CEO edema konfanochi teaching hospital Dr. Kwesi Beidu ato nsɛmtwerɛfo mo asantimantema nim sɛ ɔmo madia no mo nhwɛ project ahodo ɔmo hyɛ asese na si hɔ no ma dada no Omumbo hu de rosa ne be yomo nso no ebetimi enyamoa na Dr. Beidu chirema ondo wogidie ye pa so mbomodin atimi ebo hu de ra dwumeko ahodo a enu eni aba mu sanso na investors ahodo aban panifo kra ne omom ka biewom ewo man betumi atu omo ho asi wonom na omaboa na project no matimi asini ni na awie se ne be yomo so no ebeboa wom na bro ne di amaniboni samofo wibu aten etwetwe nkomo ewa yawa do panima bosom ni de toso du wotwe ewa mfimpi mienu ni aduonunum ni mu na Dr. Beidu esrese yensem chofo no omoma modin ahese 500 bed capacity maternity blog na enuwoji no ombetimi abohu de rosa ne be yombetimi aba abesi ede amawom esanse omo platform na ni pampempempa ena etie wom ti so omo modin anom timi bohu de ra mpuntudwuma so no ebetimi akoso na moa so no etimi abaji project ahodo akani na no ombetimi abo no matimi esi esanse sa maternity blog yi so omo modin anom timi si ebeboa wom ama omo so adwuma no etimi akoso ye na pressure ahodo edom sini na no eso etimi ate ewo mu say ade aban ede amahye 2026 budget nim na emom anya aban kwa na betimi aye so mutimi bomodin aso boa aban na ebetimi akoso ntamsa na ebeye yetimemfo ni nso no ebetimi enya yahwe ewoji honom ntina yensamtwofo bomodin a na omomo ho kwan se na ebeye omo nso no ombetimi aboa na so omo kasa ye mpanifo omo oji no mpese omo ne omo ntwetwe nkoma omo bia omo pon ede ama wa bire bia no ombetimi abasa na ebeye omo so mpuntudwuma no betimi akoso ewa ya isabia ho
ena se amafo ni ya ekosi bebia and again through the media no so ye challenges no ye to me a catch moment mudu echi and when you say more some of these challenges when we discuss with you we'll get solutions and tina very important to me. For the year, no ma moye emaye, because most of our programs, ye activities who am say Brakwame SND Emamumamo a project. Ti afia ye be sim 2026. May need that it's my hope say you better continue with that same spirit of collaboration and cooperation. Me wade back though Abina can say obe complete, but so confirm not here. You were issues with Okwa around that projects be dotted around ye but the
DLFM 106.9.
The maternity and children's blocker, I think say it was captured in the 2026 budget. I want to say, every good thing, every good health will be recently, Omasnya baby even a modern ICU for the military or 37. Meanwhile, they have all the best facilities. Obaha is about Konfanochi. Let's say, Afia Yebesimu, Muma Yem projected this structure. See, to me, that structure, a very relieving, about 550 something bed capacity facility. A very relieving a lot. Me know nyina se bibi 2 years is here, sebe ABI ma helicopter me fire. Heya na yebeba. Bibi 2 year busuafo a heya na yebeba. Ti esroma se ne amaye bida munkusu eye no. Mumboa na nka modima no tum. We are not tired of granting interviews. We are not tired of
DLFM 106.9.
It means you may be that project now. It's a request for the year 2026. Move it to me, and I know some of the Amami.
And yeah, uti a CEO at the Malcolm for Nochi Teaching Hospital, a Dr. Agyei Sikapa. Na manibo yen sem troni samo for wibuatin and a different sentimentemu ebesomi.
Yento akasiabo no so ne nkoso anyere mu ewa sentimentenim na ohene popo no ene wada o my Ghana ahimfu nyina no mechire president edema National House of Chiefs eyo je hokwo jaw ijebi otoso emienu ede adesre ede ato Ghana mampeni berema oboada John Dramani Mahama nimu say osra na da osai kase a wasai ede afa galamsey okon aye kose betumi atola se beboa na o my Ghana yakwaya hodo ani pa bi atomu no mo eseye na kwaye wonom se yenso na japade no magana yatena ye no eso ebetimi ate okirema edum pempen so mampeni ye bi paso betumi aboa na galamsey no watimi etu asede nanso edum pempen so na se watokodo ne nkonta atu bentum efrise wo hwe na ahobambo kwa hodo mo modin akwa miamia hodo a yetu galamsey ni pomo kopeno makodi ntwopoto achese na nyase mukuma kra galamsey foi eto hye wono to bobo bi ni mutu a ano aden ye pa ne senti o kirema Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama ebiasi pen ubo wuram ewa mahodo bi tese ne South America nyase mukuma edum pempen so bi achese o se galamsey foi etumi ko tototo bo mo ho banya ukotu am so se esape na mato ahye wo so ne senti o sere Ghana mampeni ne galamsey foi ni pikwekura 20 ade betumi abo ne se omamade na onanama trenkonwa eni nsa wo so onkom mfambom na omo nyina nka ho bi na wanom ente tire evidence asena ahemfo ne dia eni asase wure mona mudi niamano eni asase wure mona mudi niamano niamano mona mowe niamano no mampeni wo ko galamsey na asase ne ye obidia ade na ama na me no so mfa na chitanta akiri nti omo kiremu a Ghana mampeni anka ahemfo ne nyina mom no wamfa de sranto no manta galamsey okonachi a ebeya den panabere se bentum ede magana mampeni oje ho yawo jebiotosim mienu decide to dwa ewa sentimental kuma semra ahemfo nyina kwahyiemu a na wonom edi nhyiemu na okirem say in fact ade ba ko so ha adwen pa ne se wo hwe o man Ghana yetwa nnua patima royalties na e company fo nchen esakura kete mampode enti abaya aban fa kakra nka ho na ahemfo nya bi na wonom entumi mfam wonom wone nkronkra hoto no entimi enfantuma pa enfamfra oje ho ya uchepi asem na osan kire mu sem wo hwe wam eye 1% eye gross revenue am a free money companies awdo mutu fuma gudie ekọ ahemfo ne nchen no eso abanfa bi nka ho ne enko local eye development fund ne enko boa na mensene ho do no emputo nko enfama wonom emra na na kase na wo kire mi se wo hwe nsunsuanso galamsey dia ba manyi so a ha dwon ena ko tu banchi bedia Dr. Fo kire mi se obenya yade tomatoes yade abam nyadoa echesene yade abam kontomire so yade nko ani nyada eyesusanso bone a galamsey dia bro manyinti Ghana mampeni momade a no na ahemfo sinkundwa no momwa na galamsey no etuo ntwa ode ne kase be na o kire mi se dum pempen so a miamia hoto a One two from a good team or Honomon, crowning at the Empunto Bacumponi ho, and what pa, Sabi. Tria Father Paradaso, the Binaka on Misenti, or Sregana Mam Penny at da. And what Chana Dawson, why is Japanam one and Cron Crowdo Mutu, a former Gudiano, Women for Sonny Cruz and Punto into Membra and Fama Wonum.
We are calling on government to actively involve Nananum in the fight against Galamsey. In fact, Galamsey is now all over the place, all over the country. And if we don't take the necessary steps, we are going to lose out to them. In fact, my fear is even that they are ganging up into armed groups. And if care is not taken, the security forces are going to find it very difficult to flush them out from the forest and from the areas. And if this happens, then just like what is happening by the drug barons in South America, we may have them also challenging security in this country. So we call on government actively involve the landowners in the fight against Galamsey. Every village, every town, there's a chief. So if we are well resourced, if the regulatory regime is changed and none are involved, I believe that we will also help in the fight against the Galamsey and make sure that our river bodies are clean, we get good drinking water, and our soils are also not impoverished. Medical doctors are warning us that indeed the cassava that we like so much, the yam, the cocoyam, vegetables, including of course contomere, these are all affected. And so I call on government to actively involve Nanano in this fight.
Any awoti a president at the National House of Chiefs or Jeho Jibia Otaso Eminu.
Yentwa Kasiabone Sonala Nkwantanai Madina Municipal Assembly for Edia Betuja HM say Nipa Beye Diosia Ana Shomokra Ewa Madina Zongo Junction Beye Mfien Suni Esan say Adia Nipa Numbia yo margin say ye food bridge no ma ye wo honum ne de enya dia omobefa so esan say no ewa edema wom te kwana ana omobetwam na chese kan ne so no etimi abom na omato anananom ewo nsiedo na bra omokasa ana assembly no edi tuja no mu chemu say ayade omude 100 member joint task force for assembly officials ka ho sanso ana Ghana police service for so ebaka ho a omoba ko gina honum na wa ye be matisa police for no o de enfa food bridge ne so na kwana kotwa kwan ye begu koto amana ko zigiza gem na hu ade a ubepi hu ebi mayo margin so mo de chese food bridge no wa timi du Madina Zongo Junction na chese wa hu se nipa no traffic na so no gina honum o twan sakas ni be gina na chese wetwem a food bridge wa honum ma betimi afa so akwa abasa ne opebia nipa no bi aso edin ye papa wa so anomu wu na emomanya de omusia nyansa ede afrim na mo ne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ɛtwetwe enkomo ɛwɔ Greater Accra Regional Minister any municipal chief executive ɛde Malam Kwantanai Madina Ibrahim Faila kasa no mu kyemu sɛ ade a wo a wunnim no mbehu sɛ wutwa kwanim ɛwɔ abra food bridge no ɛwɔ honom no ade a wobetwe ska ɛde ama wɔm san so ana mo betwe waso yie papa esan sɛ nya ade bia na ka bebo nipa ne ade mfumso ni na ade ama ahyenkafo no wɔ sɛ nipa no mi so hu ne sɛ food bridge ne wɔ hɔ ɛde ma nipa inti kɔ na kɔfa so ne twa kwanim enkotwa kwanim wɔ abra ɛhyɛn ne so ɛfa kwan ne so.
There is going to be additional wire mesh on top. Immediately after that, which is going to be 2 days from today, immediately after that, our sanitation task force, you see some of them in the they are going to be stationed here permanently, together with the police. And then we'll be reinforcing or convincing the pedestrians to use the food bridge. But the food bridge is meant for them. Within 7 years, we lost a life close to. Say, we left here working 5-30 minutes. Life was gone. Every time that it happens to, we do call upon the regional minister, local government minister, even to an extent of calling on behalf of the president. Why should we sit and allow such things to happen? We shouldn't. We've recruited a task force close to 100. And what we are going to do is they will be stationed here, both left side and then the right side. We've also called upon the
DLFM
to also help us to
106.9
retrain this care to the end there. Therefore, it will be only the police officers and the traffic controllers, that's the city guards and the police, will be stationed at the median of the road. No one will be allowed to use the median. If you choose to use the median, the police, the task force sanitation guys will will also arrest you and take you on. So there's going to be a spot fine for those people using the or crossing the median anyhow. And then if you fail to do that too, we'll make sure we prosecute you direct to the courts for the court to deal with you.
Enia wuti ye municipal chief executive de Malang Kwantanai Madina ye Ibrahim Faila ana wuti se okasai no chiema mo de food bridge ne mosomo mfaso ne de muni nyankopon enante.
Yanto akasieba no so na yenyira mu awaya waso west municipal assembly ni mu wankrabu parliament de ameka sira moden etimi de achede pi eni sika ebetimi aboa na nipa de ahedwadi ase mechire capital packages ahodo de manipa mako aduenum and 954 persons with disabilities PWDs for so manye pane mo masetrem entimi konkane emfama wonom na anamontu ampanifo atwe echirema wei aka Ghana mampani Adjoa Dramani Mahaman Shepa opese oboa sebeya eye 3% disability eye a component of the district assembly common fund no ebetimi yaboa pa na sasika we atumi aboa na de hia wonobadi dem so nya sika akra de pojo mo manya binom de adwuma sebeya omuntu mfo mo hawo enkwankoto abusuafo eso na cheda mode ma nipa modi dem bi ni nyina sika ne keka bom no ni nyina kwasom 120,000 Ghana cedis sika 1.2 billion na enye sika kuma Oma ya de pa na chede ni bi etise deep air freezer ahodo ka hom sewing machines mfide de pam niema printing machines ahodo bags of rice ene mododo pa nya semkuma ene wheelchairs a woma modi dem betretrema polytank ahodo na afinsi laptop lapi bebre na ma achesa addition sakanya na ya de ekonkan na ayewa so west municipal chief executive Dr. Michael Mensa ekasa ye ma no de achede no de manipo modi dem no chire mi say Ghana mampani Adjoa Dramani Mahama aya kwado so beboa pa ma sabia de hye dam so omontumi fo mo haw enkodo abusuan so wobenya bi na mabo maden de ahwefie se beya muso betuma nya adwuma pa na beye bedu bempenso mo fo mo haw nyina da enkwankoto eye wonum abusuan so na o kire mu se mensin bakwaso abodwumaden ahwe hunu se enipa wodo madi dam so ebenya sika ankra wobetina maden ade aya adwuma boa na da chi bia so womanya sika etimi da hwe wonum ankasa ehum no de adesra ede atuni pa madi dam no enim se osra wonum ada woma maden atebedwoko ede omadi de omdwumadi nyina chi ahwe hunu se sika biara ba ombotom achade omonsa ka no omudi ye adwuma mo bi so anya so mfa so ene jese ne saka sika nti wakwakubom se to wakodi ode kwakoto dokoro ne nche na makodi da bi enya ne sa sika na woje a fakọ ye adwuma na mfa so ma se ba ya dachi bi obi so benya bi nso de abo no bram na okire mo hwe anem se nipa mo saka sika betunya boa pa beboa no mo de ye adwuma ma dachi bi ne mfa so ma pa etimi aba won beboa eba ne sa nso mo so mfa mo haw enkoto abusuafo eso de nsem sei eto DLFM yamani boni Emmanuel Opoku Adusi Enim.
Message on Dramani Mama Eka say persons with disability be support you more, be support you more. And interna Wusha District Assembly Common Fund for disabled has been increased from 3% to 5%. The essence of it is to provide them with more support. The essence of that is to provide them with what? Livelihood. And that is why we are also here this evening to support persons with disability. Yeah, the advice for the beneficiaries they should put the items into good use because we believe that if they put the items into good use, it will help them in their businesses.
I achadi amonsaka eni sika twitwiri dia monsa se mu no mu awadi dem no sra mu ada mumfa sika no enkoto nam ene ntade ametwama no mu oburo nyan mu sika no mumfa nkoye adwuma na mfa so ma se ba ya afoforo so benya mo so mfa so ente sa pa na mu kodi a maso ba ya hyepam na ne awoti ye ayaya waso west mensin no ona ye aban ana musini ne den the Dr. Mensa Michael ena wote ne kan na eno achi no na Greater Accra Regional for Ghana Enterprises Agency ijimaima ata enso de afutu kese pam e de mani pa modi de omonsa ka achede yi bini sika twhwedie ni so sere wo mada momu kodi sika ne kwawu mumfa nkoye adwuma pa na mfaso emrasom na okirema empenfo guso eboa ehyehyehye paso betumi aboa pa na sabe nipa wonmodi de watetete kwan sere ade a wo mensere mu nyina no ebetumi afiri wonom manya adwuma ye se beboa na wo mososo enya bi ede ahwe fie nti osere sika mu nkodi ni manu muto emo akra wasanso ede afuto ede ama wo mo se osere wonom ada anemoto mo atui peso mo boa pa na munya sika mapa wo motum de adidwa osere ebia mekese no wonsa ka sewing machine enkasa media mimie store minya sika ma kwoti container nti mintumi fa sika ne nkoye adwuma ya ne sa Bomadi yako PM, obi kura valanda bi obi denim. Oh, Madam Mesrau, hi, come to me de, me machine yes and map mado, so over to me. Obana sa onsan wo fe pamaka go do ho dance wo krom. Oh, Madam fu bia wadi dem. In fact, on made pampa na nsan wo fe panti bra. Na fo wade ne kono pamma. E na ye ka ho asem. Entwen wo kasa wo twen pa na wanya sika twitwiri dia eso se na kura dia koye business a wonya bi da ne sen kakra mo saka no. Monyera mo fanya adwuma na da achi bia mfa so emra so fama mo.
That's enye easy. But also already they have gone through a training in Asefo. Until the mechanic say omonto so enkoso wo start abebuo bebani and the ade. And normally people think say wo start business you need a whole lot. But the mechanic say they don't need that much. With startup kits here their mom. Wo veranda bi wo hon mo bi pese opamandia. Wan hye o machine no we twitwa ne nyoma no then no so recommendation never obi mu so one pam we never no another customer account sanity until they receiving startup kit more month now say minya shop minya we ansa na metimi start with the little support now Ayawa so West Municipal Assembly their mom no ombetimi afa no normal start before ansa no munya customers no mu grow business no gradually no master adding on to a machineries now on
I kakra and abua koko edenum su eni aguti ye Greater Accra Regional for Ghana Enterprises Agency the day a day me wafa se ba jimama ata na wotene kan kwa kram na de hye nso a womadi dem enya adwumade hu so mfaso no edin sem sei ati amani boni Emmanuel Opoku active enim
DLFM 106.9.
Eni a woti ye aya Ghana de hye bia make say de mbotoma ye de ye bedi bro nya pa na monsa ka akere na sika twitwiri die se de e konka monsa ka akade de fira ya waso West mensiri no ensem na mo kirem se yakopo aya adom onhyira mpanimfo pa na afi bia no omunye bio ne mo no so atetenem enkonkan emfama wonom na mane boy ye ensem twire ni Emmanuel Opoku Edusi dudu abono mane se DJ active na de mane boy efrin krabo premantemu Ayawa so West mentionum ede ebesom yen.
Yentoa Kasiebone so 1995 badge at the Madam Umase a senior high school and no was Santimantemu Akoye school no adoye at the notice board at the commerce school 24 FI 30 year anniversary more eba bedino. Na year 1995 year group a year old students association a year Mrs. Alice Amuakon or no and a year church for no edekuonenim at the tuja HM say a year de na uhia ye pan so mo de notice board nebe bre school san say school na bomodin edinimde ede aruamumu abomodin atete wo mo kwan paso ne no omo nso no enya beebi aginati na hu behia pa so betimi aye adoye no ede amawom na we no di tuja na ochem school fo no ene eye achechefo ni na momodin anom nhwe say ya adoye ombe ya amawom betimi ahweso ye ne no so timi aboawom na school fo ne so momodin ansia de se ne be ya daachi bi no beebi omopese omunan enkosi no omunan ebetimi edu ho
ye beba ye chi aye homecoming eti ye ban so aye manen sapan ye wo se yetimi ebeye bibi ma omo a omo wo school nim no enya benefit efri ye ho nti ye botaye nyina ne aye de ye notice se ye ba ha be hu se omo baby omo nya omo information free no eni ho bi hu ebi ne ho nti ye se ye be keka ye nsase na ya bo na aye bibi kakra na omo timi enya information from it nti na ye notice board pa o ha bebre mu a ene omo wo mu no menyi ni se enu bi na omo fa mo omo kra de meka se omo nya ni ye if say ye de na ye challenges na so pa ye na ye ni nsuo wo school mu ha na ye ni light enso ni nyina echi no emu ya bem ama ya bem emu ama de ye pese ye no ye ntimi anye etimi koso aye ya ene de ye pese ye duru ni yetimi akwa akoduru nti de me hye ni nuanom nketwa nkuna ye wa ha se ni se mma bibia nsi omo kwan se omo ntimi nkonkoduru de omo pese omo duru omo mpre nko omo anim na the sky is their limit.
Eni ya wuti ye Mrs. Alice Amuakon no aneye secretary edema 1995 year group of student association edema dan woma se senior high school na no achi ana headmaster at the school no Mr. Felix Kwabna Cranton Dankwa edi to dwa na oche mu say ya dia school no ene school for na kasa na mu hia niema bebra wo so mutimi ebe omunsra be mu esan say ya dia omuso na wo so mutimi hwe say mpuntuo etimi akoso ewo school mu honom na mu wieye ana mu dia sida PSC edi ma ye 1995 badge year group no esan say ya dia omabu omo sikasemu ye pa na mo hwe ani mu say niema mo dia abra omo no mehwe so ye netimi abu school for no
ye bebre amaye awofo no so aye bi na o students so ye bi ene kra wan be ye kese pa ba kwa mo hwe ye chie wa na as a body corporate body no ye still are challenges mo ti ebe here nkonya our classrooms and mpa our dormitories dining hall tables and benches in ebe here we so ebe here science lab more than one ebe here ICT lab more than one ya say here staff bungalows assembly hall it's a bibia can school where money tumpon bia no as a school no ye here more than once ni bi ama disuano bibia no atimi atumpon na ye hwe ye opposite say we dan kesiesi 18 unit classroom block na say na atimi aye 6 na PTA na sha ase ase PTA na ho den so aba form ti e be stress all students aba ne no omo ntwa mani hwe ho na aban so ensan enka ho meboa na yentimi incomplete no te ye no mu ni nyina na normal school no afa na ntuma pa efra
eni ya uti ye headmaster at the Madam Womas Senior High School Mr. Felix Kwabna Cranton Dankwa na ne krakra mu ana board chairman at the school no sansu all student school mu honom Mr. Resford Owusu Banahene kasa na oche mu say school for no momodian no mu nsia de se ne be ya da chi bi no nso no mbetimi enya adwuma papa bi etimi aye
omoma omoni na ho na wiase na afefe de na aba no ya na masuku adesua no ye so do ho to sa afefe de so a ma oda achi nso eyesini nti na yetu omfo so obia ntina no ne ba so na o ye ne be ma so say no na ode be bobra emmo a ba bia na emmo da achi nso adesua no na free titi nyina di adanse so bia ode no ho abeto adesua so no na nanimo abi na we opportunities a we ase wo no no so take advantage na na brabo na ne da achi ewie nti afutu a de ma we so yamfa madam mass secondary school nkwala nko a de ma we ase nkwala nyina Ghana nkwala nyina say na we ase no social media na ma we ase bibia ho na so wo no mo do mo to so ni nyina edi ya odachi na emom no wo a woni beda form a positive side of social media no odo ho beto so no de e je se wa bo ama we ase wo hunu na ni so ye be sro mo so obia manani nko na de so aso omo fa phone so no mu ho kakra do be fa phone no a na ogogo na wa pe bibia wo sua na de aboa wo ama wa de sua na odachi an enye social media nse hunu se bia manfo edi no so a semo a ye kan nru a ye kira hodo no ne ade nyina obedi akira abehwe ne the whole night nso amfa bibia nka wa de sua omo fa ento no omo form books no mo sua de ena de dache ebebre omo omo dache ayi
eni ya uti ye board chairman at the school no sanso ye all students at the Madam Womas Senior High School Mr. Resford Owusu Banahene na manibo ye nsem troni sa akode pepra na different santimantemu ebesumye
na yanto akase bono so na nsem ne de ebi wo hopa edoso pa na ne ensem ya de somo ne de in fact ano odin pa na yemfa ya ni mfa nkyere mu wa santimantemu mu bio na nsem efra santimantemu ba no enya semu kuma kura na mu sa afie mu enche bia enkasa fu we nkwa we enkwa sha fufura se ye no na ahyenkafo no monama brete ne asesa na ne nyina ne sai ukopie mu oboase DVRA manager Mr. Edwin Ofori edensem atoja kire mi se new vehicle registration number plate epa no eba be yide na firo no maboa pa ma kro no ahodo nipa bitumi bo no mayi mu ede ahyen bi atim se we odi free Togo ne baye we won register na so kro ne nti wakwatwa na mabi tantantan sa na ode atẹ no odi dinsem hunu sa no eso atimi ate ewo maika na mum na opani kire mi se we yom pese mo ye pa ne boa se be ya ahyenkafo mo to card digima o maga na mu no won betumi atawo no mo register ne kama na boa pa se be ya kro no ahodo we kwaso nipa bi ede ahyen bi a emfre won de bokro no no eso atimi ate senior makasa na o kire mi se DVRA Driver Vehicle and Licensing Authority 24 ahyehyɛ say sa new number plate na eba no kyɛ sɛ ebe hye ase opepom bosomedi enim de edika pepepe January 1st 2026 na hye ase a features ne bebre ne ya original code and na fence so area code na pepepe boa pa sɛ be ya aka ne gwagisa wo ka be hu na yi 2024 2025 2010 ne nyina be free hanom na wanya sakuru we ya boa pana features na mu kirema ano aden pa nti we no obi antumi mma okro no da bibia da din etie nyina yenhwe animu no kirema ahyakafo ne nya krado na ka wura nom so nya krado pa na free say no ma plate ne ba no emu de sesebe anoma nam wo mayim
Nimai say yeah chinchen so and I yeah ma so active. One of the changes are buy a registration plate say year na na plate so no. Say nyame adom yesi January mo a safen year number so bi say 2026 no who say ya register car no 2026 year ni bi. And na say di ho no say officer ya register car no say AS ana AC and also ye efi ho nti number ya issue ama okano and some letters and no system no be generate and ana ebia code nti no so uko social media ya display ana ye de ebi atoto social media obiabiti next year eko nyame ya adoma ya sesan ya plate no na nya say yes sesan ne keke baby sa adenti biom na yes sesan plate no they say recently plate aye issue no ya hu say sometimes microphotimi eye ntwifam obeto car from Togo no dia bagana no akotwa plate fanko DVL no twa plate no dia bohon no use as if say it's a registered car say sakraye be say nima wigina esubetwa
ai ninyina so betwa makrono no to atwa na ne kwakra mu na Mr. Edwin Ofori kasebo ana wo kire mam broya na bai ahyenkafo asramo ada America tente kwazibo ne baka ne se overspeeding afenso edi baabi ahyenka ne tu ne car nanso ono wankata tumi hu se car ya wotui wanka cheke ahwese ne brake yi adwuma ensuo kura wa car ne mu anasa car na tie na kura ne in fact etiapo no we sequence ne pose de America tente ba den ya yesi nimpo aba peso power station no bronya ne mo ya de sa no manam tie kofa bi akọ yenya sika kohwe fie okire ba ne sanso edu ba bi atete panti obesra hyenka foi and afisi station masters no utumi se hyenka ne free kuma se de car bedu nkran wa bre mama ne nda o se otabi hwe ni pe sam ha nipa yi doso fa bi kọ omo bre dodo kakra no bedi nti na hyenka ni a wa bre wa ma ne kwa ma na nda no de America tente kokum nimpa aba o kire ma hyenka ni papa na ode akwantufu akwa ba asumdwe ne hyenka ni a okuku nipa o kirema wa kwa se draba ho nya ha tiaso ma yenkwaya nim na ye che ade abesa draba ben pa na wo kọ fefensa wasa papa o kirema mo akra sabe wo ye hyenkene ato bo ase wo kwa akwaya ade o baabi na ho peprenti wa wankwa nkodu ade kwan so wantima ni mi enu nyina bọ wo to bo ase na wo kọ ba osumia yesa ne sabetu makatente na bekọ no wo kwa kwa na busua wo hwe wo mu akwageta o sra senkafo blo nya na ba no mfa nkọ hye bayifo muni mra se na mra emwane nyina ye ho toyo Christmas mu
na mesa fakonya we so asa I remind the client the drivers ye back Christmas time say no ye besre say uye late and then na metie e sister station we na presenter ba ko ka say uye late ekodu a sense ye be from the late asimesi because one could do intem na do wasundwe ma sense wa won kodu na fe ni adukunti a open term so awantimi anye na the problem abreak family nti besre over speeding yan try say ye better me and kase passengers e wo ho nti no oh ma be good especially driver unions executives no we asubie kase mom obi akwa about 4 hours journey abedu station because passengers ewo ho now nim very well so obedu yes wabre usu ni microphone so nti no dia ho me 30 minutes dey be for monko since also mutwaso so we need cars enough cars ewo station na omo said also omo registered people number join omo timi eboa so that during this time say driver ni bedu woman enough time to rest because obedu ewiemu a what is wrong? So we schedule the next morning so that he can have enough time to rest. But yes, sir. Oh, I need to put them 30 minutes.
passengers go saying no because timer and nabefa no just a second. Na the asamfufro about the bestre. So share drivers no omo brim any emra ombemo mo ahome. And so making sure say cars no well maintained. Roadworthiness, the condition of the vehicles, insurance, even the driver's licenses. Any roadworthy, also all this information is up to date because service masama asamba na say okra ne papers at least obi a we pra benya compensation kakra di ahwe no.
DLFM 106.9.
Asama wo ka dia no kura ndra shankani ba ko adwane sa mele no ni license di mirika tontro okwadro mirika tom okokra enti yesrem ada woni ayi license amantwika emwa woni license entwika mo pesa too much agrono dos okrumanom na yanko Facebook no so ke ka dwencheni bia samia renkom dia ba na say good job watching you live from Pristia. Pristia for church mu nyina wi anyame nchira mu pina. Sweet Elizabeth, as a good afternoon, my authentic Uncle Sam and a beautiful Sikapa. The news is so superb. What Sweet Betty ni or the Philippine on zone 4. Medas more fast na Adjoa Agyei Sikapa say. Good afternoon, watching you live from Christian Village at Chemwata. Greetings to all loved ones. Happy birthday to Nana. Adjoa Agyei say Kasiabani. In fact, dear news in the eja gum e more the sound of manam. Na comfort Martin was a good afternoon. Wafa Sammy B and Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. Then DLFM news always on point. Happy glorious birthday to my sister. My gifty Ofori and Adjoa silky blessings to them. Mate na me wafa say opoku active Emmanuel Dodo Abala man say DJ active or say Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B and Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. Good afternoon. In fact, keep it up. Good work amoya na manyere mo ho pa na mo som Ghana papa ya menhyira mo pam. Sina nya menhyira ho so awie. Na Richard Ahwe or say good afternoon to you. Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B and Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. DLFM news is official. Sweet like anomanam like bird meat. Loud and clear inside. Great station, DLFM and nice DJ Ghanaman ye. Me da se na me wafa si we se den. Comfort my TB no dia ba no say God will really bless them pa. Nya me nhira wono mo pa. Woda no nya mo kese na. Barbara Kranten. Patra pa fo no ba ko asidwam. And was a greeting to Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ni Sikapa. Or share life edifri atasamanso na de one trapa. Wa kopi atasamanso. Urade yankopon. O se de kase ebo no size. Ayatna apatrapa ne jai se emanfo Enquiries wetuatna ana no na nam ye fan se dwoso ukopie mu santase ofulukrum ne ada enanso de atasamanso sama twen na atukewa se best news ya da se pam wofa so atike yakopon hira papa kase ebo ne nyina wesiri ye munu komu se na ansa ne ye bekọ no awoda ba ko ayente ne taw na yankwane mu se ne wiase nyina birthday 19th December 2025. Adjoa Seki. Diela wa hima. Soko hima. Ena the birthday. Nefia hanum. Yen se yesika o. Yen pokura yen hye ho nansen. Ana meboa. Ye papa wu. Nti yen hye dan hye ho. Enti yen haye ho kura nse yesika. Bedi di peche. Ana meboa senior. Enti Kofi bua na me nya birthday we no. Me wi ana yen bra na atro so na yen kan hye asem gu na so. Nti Kofi bua me na yen ko. Awoda ekwei ekọ ediama. O say happy glorious birthday to our husband. Never go for a you no wate. Or say happy glorious birthday to our husband. Hatch a balloon inside Dubai. Diara from a year Huzifa and Afi Efianshra. May the good Lord bless your new age with long life and good health, prosperity, happiness, and success. Enti Nina no senior man within a year Hatch balloon Dubai. A year Diara. Way Efreya Huzifa and Afenso. Efia inshira mase yanka njo se yango ponhira papa woda we no onya ne soronko ye die ne onyini che ne nkwatenten ade pa bia wasase we so twede yamponyanko pon ocheche nshira oma ebi enso so happy birthday enko enfama senior man we every Barbara Kranten our reporter from the Ashanti region and was say yamfa woda ka se we emfa emma ne kwakra mu no na Adjoa Seki ne birthday Kofi project na mame na akire mu hima ene ne birthday tisika na de we in-house. So ahun nsa no. We
the original Michael Jackson.
Na me ka kire wo. Papa no pa to pa.
Who say gloves ni hye ne sana na
che say. Space na fata no pa. Na Adjoa nkasa no ho ofo.
Papa.
Ho ofo pa efia ma no. na adwa ho ofe on say if you have one ankasa na man na wo mu die nyame no kure ni obi ho ofe me man na du ba bia na aye bia wa akra
aya na scan free mu kakra bia na
me man na die on say me ngof kofi say oye kama DJ Omalo say kama zigibim nyina ye kama mo wofa say wo hwe banim a tim say wo pa
oye kama
me manim ye kama
me na mo ofia ha no mo ye kama on scan ko kakra bia na say
no opa na ya fon
me am some more J.
And we have here me man ho pa na adwen pa.
Ho pa na me fe ma no.
Da bi o nya sa wo hwem dia mo bi. Hwe dia wo nim so odwen nya sa wo hwem dia mo bi.
Mo sheda anju ana ya fiba.
Ya sheda anwen. Sese ya le ne busia. Afiba. Me man afiba na adwen pa.
How else?
Let's one wale ye ne how ye den.
Oh, how crazy!
Oye koko fo mo mabusia na.
Afiba di.
Abusia koko. Unse afiba ye obi a na ni ta kofie. En obon homoden pa. Enti odwen on.
I say wofa sem no.
Matese wa prepare chiri kura da kra. Akwa no wa.
Ofa plane kra wo.
Kofi. Afiba kwa wa.
Onam hono ya shirop.
Na dey go pa. You be a fine, but guess no. It's about time we say, yeah, man, no, mama, you feel it, Trebren. I na a man who tell you, especially Christmas, you see. Member, I bro. And you for my check editing, you sank about your member, quamity, so I see Melema, and I'm a boy. A rich and a man, a jinina, and I draw a fear sugar, me didn't hoya pa. Me didn't hoya. Member, no bray and 10 years, much check edit, not some money, be near start to be a pay or muscle. Why? What talk credit time or bumpo? No, or bad chance or best our friend be sending credit and one sack. Oh, for being free,
be romantic, be caring.
Romantic, and say, me, my tad, dear mamma.
Miss our report, Toman, if you also to me confirm, Miss Awana, what time I
say, I motel receive credit from different sources.
Your friends, your family.
Go for you, an edion. And then a turn you bedu. And in another Siki, yes, run never. On a Grammy from and nothing sexy journalist, about home Fedri and home for pa. Nanya sim come visit and Adjoa sick and any birthday.
Aye.
And did our Juma dinner a special program and Ecoso. National so said DJs could be Mr. Sammy across any birthday tremu.
Last week.
You two share that. Dinner birthday near in town for birthday. A bonta. Aha, birthday a bonta and a becofia.
And if ya.
And yes, Mark crash my house on a moon fafia. Na man na Adjoa Siriki show mo banso na mo ye ni show wie so amonche chane bi nso nyina ye so fi yeska
o de mo man 100 da mo man be
DJ Omalo say akura betu say obi tumi 1000 kura man for the weekend san kanya bad
na fi ba na me drain ho afi bo
na obi aka
na me drain o me say mi nya be ma fi ba ayi sa bronya yi ayi sa me de aduane gu flax mo man no
so pressure one so ana. Now, Hans India is a good afternoon, Sabibi and Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. Thank you for your good work. Watching live from Atomic Hotel, Dan Soman. I want to hear different Hans India, the Amishra Pisa, or the Adjoa Diabana. Yes, that's an Adjoa Siriki and a banana dry obia or buy in fact DLFM, Wabwapa. Yapa Panyum, and your one can yumpi, Mentiasio. And I go to meet Nasi, Chile, Numunum. Now, almost not the banana back home with dinner dawso. Said you want us out near Sanchim with the Achro. A idea concan and Adjoa Siriki, and go poor man and quatenten. Amen. No man I would we know. Or on funny flat to Munquat to him, say a mere no monk so a man shining a day. A musso. A fresh, eh? And Adjoa Siriki or bar. Oh, Uncle or bar. So who may sink away a day and call bad Juma. Nanka V8 barco, Nanka Tima, and cancel no. And I'm a boy. Yes, Mumpa Pretre. Oh, Mumpa Pretre and Adjoa, or Bananka Johnny V8 will be enough fooling Yanya. Oh, Nana, you are doing some mood. Can't get 20 out no matter for maintain a time up pie. Oh, dear best, the moment V8 barco. And I'm pijam cacra. And I have a money tuned on about cockring.
Your money range be crying. Money you got color and
who say any dear minim say, Kai bet me a boss is saying the ocean for no park away to the honor. And get one about
sit a unicorn.
Charger one. Who about one get what she won't get.
I am.
And so no, a more carcass, yeah,
pay your God's color range over moving. Oh, mammy.
Na mimi nya bia we koma papa opa adwuna medwen kasi abone ye de sie musemu fo ye mesi mebele ntwene se mo ede ema yen champion tailor bemo obo ade ekopiem go Facebook na figiti makasi bono wenya bi ehwe ye DJs gibi Mr. Sammy Kwadwo Sammy free from ade sumya hwei na kenkan fo me na ye hwene tia santem a ye said the same ne kemo ye 64 teeth ekum dia meje so ya go fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B or see idea yo the one mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
DJ Omalion ebo ye ho ban sunsun mu ene honemani ede ma yefia man mola support kasebo no ye de basen o munyina moniti a ade hye ye kwena Adjoa Sikina pam for upness birthday no enya sem kuma ofia yakra mo.
Hello, Auntie Abena. You won't believe what just happened.